Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off Vibrate on Ring on your accounts, on Messenger, on notification settings. Easy and quick. First, click on this three lines here and now click settings. Now here you will find notifications and sounds. Click on it. Here as you see you will find Vibrate on Ring. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on and that's how to turn on or turn off Vibrate on Ring. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.